In the heart, lush rainforests, sprawling savannas, a magical symphony plays out every day, captivating chorus nature's diverse inhabitants. From melodic calls, colorful birds harmonizing rustling leaves, rhythmic beat woodpecker drumming against tree trunk, every sound contributes enchanting orchestration. Buzzing bees, they diligently collect nectar, gentle flow stream, creating soothing background melody, distant roar lion signaling its presence. Each note adds intricate composition. As sun sets, nocturnal creatures like crickets, owls take stage, continuing symphony under shimmering moonlight. Symphony nature reminds us interconnectedness, all living beings, each playing their unique part, wondrous performance. It's reminder beauty, complexity, our natural world, where every species, big, small, contributes harmonious, balanced life. So next time find yourself nature's embrace. Take moment, listen symphony. Masterpiece created Earth itself.